Ever wondered how to elevate your culinary skills while connecting with a local community of food enthusiasts? Ananya, a passionate home chef, found the perfect solution in Netclan. Ananya's culinary journey began as a simple hobby, experimenting with flavors and testing new recipes in her cozy kitchen. But it was Netclan that transformed her passion into a vibrant local network. With Netclan, Ananya discovered a community of like-minded food enthusiasts right in her city, Cape Town. She connected with passionate home chefs, food bloggers, and culinary artists, broadening her culinary horizons and finding a sense of belonging in this vibrant community. Through Netclan, Ananya took her culinary passion a step further by hosting intimate food gatherings, sharing her recipes, exchanging culinary tips, and seeing the joy her cooking brought to others gave her immense satisfaction. But the benefits of Netclan go beyond just sharing recipes and hosting events. It became a platform for Ananya to meet wonderful people, build lasting friendships, and share a mutual love for all things food. Netclan, for Ananya, isn't just an app. It's a portal to an entire culinary universe. It's taken her on an incredible journey, from trying diverse recipes to organizing delightful gatherings, and has opened up a world of opportunities she never imagined. So are you ready to start your own culinary journey? Join Netclan today and discover a world of flavors, friendships, and fun just like Ananya did. Happy cooking and happy connecting.